the windy day. It's such a windy day. I think I hear 3 limbs knocking on the window. Oh, maybe it is a knock at the door. No one is here, but look, someone wrote me a note. It is from Boots. The note said to meet Boots at play park. I need to wrap up before I go. Abuela knit me this scarf to knot around my neck. It's Isa. Boots wrote her a note too, but something is wrong. Isa only has 1 mitten. Oh no, the wind blew Isa's other mitten upon a tree limb. Let's call Tico to help get it down. He's really good at climbing trees. Hooray! Tico got Isa's mitten and Boots wrote him a note too. Let's all go to play park together. We made it to play park. There is Boots. And look what he has. 4 kites. What a perfect day to fly kites. Hooray!